Hello mga langga! Today we're going to make a fun alphabet puppet. So magle-layout muna tayo. Then after, we need to print our puppet template. So after natin ma-print, now magti-trace and color muna tayo. So let's use our pencil to trace the sentence. Next, grab your favorite crayons or markers and color the apple. So after makulayan ng bata, then it's time to cut the puppet. Be sure to follow the lines carefully. So subaybayan natin ang bata sa pagkakat ng paper. May enjoy talaga ang mga bata nito because they have fun while learning. So while mastering the different letters of the alphabet, so may enjoy talaga ang bata. After nito, i-fold natin kagaya nito para magkaroon ng bunganga yung puppet natin. So to make the puppet strong, let's glue it into hard paper or cardboard para tumagal yung puppet natin. Kagaya din sa relasyon nyo para tumagal. Ganon, charot. Okay, after nyo didikitan yan, ikakat nyo ulit. So dahan-dahan lang sa paggupit para din magupit yung daliri. If tapos na yung alphabet puppet natin, you can use it to practice letter sounds, tell stories, or play puppet games. Pero pwede itong gamitin sa song na A is for apple. Apple. Okay, bye.